There are many reasons why you would need to add text to a drawing. SolidWorks has a very powerful note tool. So you can, once you click the note tool, you have this little box where you can click anywhere and say whatever you want. Let's just say note. Click off of it and hit escape. You can drag that around. Another thing you can do with that tool is if you click on a feature and then pull away, you can have a leader line. Just say note 2. Now you have a leader going to your note, which automatically flips on which side it's pointing to, so you can adjust it very easily. On that, you can also change what leader style you're using. You could say, let's say you wanted this wiggly spline leader. You'd click on it. Now you have a spline note, which you can adjust the spline and the location of the note. When you're doing notes, you can also, let's say you're typing 1 degree, you can click this symbol right here to add more symbols. You can say degree. We also have diameter and all these other symbols. If you do not see the symbol that you need, you can click for more symbols. And there is a very large array of symbols that you have access to. For example, we could say spot face symbol. And there it is. So you can change the leaders. You can change the text, whether it goes center, to the right, or to the left. You can add GD&T symbols. You can link them to custom properties. So if you want to say, for some reason you wanted to add the weight in a general note, you could link that to the property weight. Now you have the weight there. You can change, by highlighting it, you can change the font and the size, or even the color. And then once you type in a note, it will still have it selected, and if you click another place, you can place the same note. Oops. So that is the annotation note tool in SolidWorks. It's very powerful. You can do a lot of stuff with it. Go ahead and clean these out.